Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a eating trendy foods for you guys. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. You guys can see me. The avocado toast was not that bad. It was really nice. I love avocado toast, but with the eggs, it tasted so good. I think I'm gonna make that every single day from now on. I love avocado toast, honestly. The sandwich, I just made a sandwich because I literally had nothing else to make. I did not know what to make. For lunch, I don't know what popular thing to eat for lunch. I wanted to make like these kinds of sandwiches. But then I just decided to make a normal sandwich. By normal, I mean adding anything I want to add because I literally had nothing else to make. But it honestly tasted really good. I did not drink anything, so I'm probably gonna go drink some water or something, but it tasted amazing. I loved it, and I think you guys should taste it because it's super good. I loved it, and yeah. So guys, I couldn't really make something for dinner, but what we did have for dinner was this, and it was really nice and really so many vegetables. I love vegetables a bit. I don't really love it that much, but it was really good. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.